everyone! Thank you for visiting my channel, Filipina Everything About Maris Bisaya. Well, if you're new on my channel guys, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. And to those who are my subscribers already, thank you very much for the support guys. Well, today, I'm going to share it with you guys an additional tips how to make the relationship will last longer. So if you're watching on my first video, how to make a relationship will last longer, so this is an additional tips for you guys. 5 tips for you guys how to make your relationship last longer. So good luck to us guys. How I wish these tips of mine, these good vibes of mine can help us to make our relationship last longer. Okay, so that everybody will be happy. Well, let's start now guys. Number 1 is make time for each other. Even though you're busy in your life, in your busy schedule at work, you set aside time to each week to spend time together. Okay, and number 2 is do things together that both of you enjoy. These things, guys, will help you bond and create shared experience. And number 3 is be supportive to each other. So be there to your partner, guys, when they need you, and celebrate their successes with them. Okay? And number 4 is grow together. So as you both grow and change, you both continue supporting each other and learning from each other. Okay, and number 5 guys, but not the least, is never stop dating. Okay, so even though you've been together for a years, so it's very important guys for you to continue dating each other, and this one can help you to your relationship to stay alive and reminds you how much, to remind you why you fell in love to each other in the first place. Okay, well guys, following these tips help us to make our relationship last longer until death. Okay, and remember guys, love is a choice and it takes works to maintain the healthy relationship. Okay? So, that's all for today guys. Hope you like the good vibes and the tips from me how to maintain our relationship last longer. Okay? So, hopefully everybody will be having a happy love life forever and ever. Okay, so good luck everyone. Hope you like the video that I shared to you today. Here's your Inday Maris again from Philippines, Surigao, proud Bisaya with love. Well, that's all for today guys. Have a nice day everyone. Take care and be safe. Like what I said, as always, smile and be happy guys. Have a nice day everyone. Bye for now again.